In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to start making at least $100 every single day with CPA marketing. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So basically, I'm going to show you how to use sweepstake offers to make money on CPA marketing. An example of what I'm about to show you in today's video is this page right here. As you can see, this is an iPhone giveaway niche. I'm going to show you how these guys right here are making hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. As you can see right here, this is an iPhone giveaway page on Instagram. You can see right here, iPhone giveaway, limited offer, how to join. You must follow this profile. Click on the link in bio. So if I click on this link right here, as you can see right here, it's going to redirect me to this Blogspot landing page right here. As you can see, this is an iPhone giveaway landing page right here. Okay, so you can also see the person hosted this landing page on Blogspot, and also you can see right here this domain has SSL certificate, and you can see the connection is secured. All right, so once people come over to this page and they click on claim my iPhone, you can see right here they can choose if they want an iPhone 13 or they want a 13 Pro. So if I click on this right here, and also you can see they have scarcity right here. You can see it says only 4 left right here, and this one says only 24. So if I click any of this, all right, you can see right here you are going to choose a carrier right here. So let me just choose this one. All right, so you want to choose the color of the iPhone you want. So if I go with this gold, all right, and I want to choose the memory storage. So if I click on this one, all right, so here the person is going to submit their details. So basically, if I type in my details right here, all right, so basically, as you can see right here, I've typed in some random details right here. Okay, so basically, if I just click on this submit information, as you can see right here, it says successful, you got your iPhone, thank you. Now we just need you to complete required offers, number of surveys depending on the country that you live in. After completing the offers, you will get a tracking number. Okay, so basically, as you can see right here, it says please tap the button below and follow the steps to start taking your offer. So if I click on start now, all right, as you can see right here, this just redirected to a content locker on Ogads right here. You can use this on Ogads, or also you can use Cpagrip if you want. So basically, you can see it redirected to this page right here. It says hurry up, final step, you must complete an offer from the list below to get your iPhone. You can see these are giveaway offers right here. If the person completes this offer, this iPhone giveaway page is going to make money. As you can see right here, the list of offers on this page right here are giveaways offers. All right, which means the visitor gets a chance to win a $1,000 gift card right here, or a $750 cash app right here, or you can see a McDonald's giveaway gift card right here. Okay, so basically it's a win-win situation for everyone. They get a chance to apply for these offers right here, and once they complete these offers, the owner of this page right here makes money. Okay, so basically it's that simple. Okay, all you just need to do is to create a content locker in your Ogads account. So all you just need to do is go to content lockers. So once you come over to this content locker page right here, so this is where you are going to set up your content locker. And once you set up your content locker here, people are going to be able to complete CPA offers for you to make money. So I've made several videos on how to create a content locker on this channel. All right, so I'll not be going into that in this video so as not to prolong this video. So basically what you want to do once you've created your content locker and your CPA offers, all right, I have this landing page on my PC. So if I open this folder right here, okay, if I click on this index.html, as you can see, this is the landing page right here. It's stored on my PC. And also I can make a separate video if you want me to show you how to host this landing page on Blogspot, like this person did right here. So if I click on this person link again, so as you can see right here, after clicking on this person link right here, it redirected me to this page right here. You can see the person hosted this landing page on this Blogspot account. Okay, you can see free iPhone giveaway now.blogspot.com. so basically, if you want me to make a separate video on that, just comment it down below and I'll make a detailed video on how you can host this landing page right here. As you can see, this one right here is on my PC, so I can show you how to host this landing page on blogspot.com for absolutely free. So basically now what you are going to do now is very simple. You want to create an Instagram account just like this one. You want to use exactly what they are using here, because if they are using it, then it's working for them. Okay, so basically you can see this post right here. This is an example of a post that got 33 likes and 14 engagement. As you can see right here, this post was made a few days ago. You can see 3rd of August right here. Okay, so basically what you can do is just basically copy and paste what they are doing here. As you can see, they also have their tags right here. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see they have tags right here that you can copy as well. All you just need to do is copy what this page is doing right here. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. All you just need to do is copy them and you can start making money. So just for you to know, if you don't want to use this landing page right here, you can come over to site like breezy.io and you can build a landing page for yourself from start to finish, or you can come over to Google site as well to create a landing page for yourself and you can start driving traffic to this page right here. Now you may be wondering, how do you get images like this person right here? All you just need to do is to go over to Google and you want to type in iPhone 13 HD right here. You can see these are numerous images right here that you can grab and upload to your Instagram account, because I can guarantee you that this is where these people right here found, this is where this person found those images. Okay, or you can simply just copy this person images right here and give them credit in your Instagram post. Okay, so basically it's that simple. Nothing is complicated at all. Just replicate what these people are doing right here. As you can see, they don't have so many followers on this page at all. So basically you want to also come over to this their follower section right here. Okay, so once you come over to this follower section right here, all right, so you want to follow their followers. Okay, so basically that's another way to start getting followers on your Instagram account, because if you follow these people, they already see that you are also making similar content that they are already following, so there's a very high chance that they are going to follow you as well. So another way to get followers is by coming over to the post itself and you want to come over to the like section. All right, and you want to follow these people right here, and I can guarantee you that these people are also going to follow you back, because we already know they are interested in free iPhone content. All right, you can see this was a post that was made 10 hours ago, and I can guarantee you that so many people would have gone to their bio right here and they would have clicked on this link, and once they come over to this page and they get over to this content locker, many of them are going to complete this CPA offers right here, because they don't need to purchase anything, and also they get a chance to win this gift card right here. So another traffic source you can use is by coming over to Twitter right here and just type in this phrase right here. Okay, you can see there are so many people who are requesting that they want an iPhone right here. You can look at this tweet right here, made 8 minutes ago, and you can see this other one right here. I need that iPhone 14 Pro Max when it comes out. You can see this is another person right here that is requesting for the same iPhone. So all you just need to do is reply these people and you want to send them down to the link. Once they complete the offers, you make money. So basically that is all you need to do. So if you combine using the Instagram and using this Twitter, you are guaranteed to make money every single day. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.